there's one more detail would be, did you ever hear about the race down in Australia? It was a solar car race, and the GM car looked like a cockroach, but had it was like a white cockroach with solar panels, so blue in the back.
Yeah.
So that was called the Sun Racer. Now the people that built that is a company, I think they call it Aerotech or something like that. That's the same people that did the EV1.
Oh, there you go.
And they're in California, and now they build like military drones.
Oh, there we go. They went the dark side.
Yeah, they went the dark side.
They made a good thing, and then they're like, too much.
But the point of the thing is that, like, it's all connected. That's the beauty of the electric car community, is that because of my interest in electric cars, I got to meet you, and because of you, I got to meet some other people and stuff, and it's just such a cool thing. Like, we're like car nerds that like the environment. It's like,
I wasn't even a car guy. I kind of wanted a car. I guess I like car. Now I like cars. Now I have 4 or 5 out here, right? Like, who needs that many cars? Nobody needs that unless you're a car guy. And I have a garage now that could fit like 5 cars. So I guess I'm a car guy now.
Yeah. I don't know any non-car guys that have a lift. With,
yes, exactly.
Entrenched, like hardcore Volkswagen. I don't know.
Yeah, I turned into a car guy.
Yeah, you're a car guy.
I didn't start this way though. I'm morphing into it. This is the evolution happening before your eyes. Yeah.
That's funny.